My students, in the previous class, the 10th sum is completed. Today we are starting with the 10th sum. This is the 10th sum we are having. That is, A can do a piece of work in 80 days. A can do a piece of work in 80 days, and B can, he worked for 10 days, and then B alone finished the remaining work in 42 days. In how many days could both do it? First sentence, up to here is the sentence. A can do a piece of work in 80 days. I am writing at once. A can do the work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 80. First sentence is completed. Going to second sentence. He worked for 10 days and then B alone finished the remaining work. He worked for 10 days. A worked for 10 days. That means 1 by 80 into 10, 0, 0, which is equal to 1 by 8. Remaining work is equal to 1 out of 8 parts completed. This is 1 day work. This is 1 day work is 1 by 8th work, and 10 days completed is 1 by 8 work is there. This 1 out of 8 parts is completed. Then 7 out of 8 parts left. 7 out of 8 parts was left. This 7 by 8 is doing by B in 42 days. This is the given condition for us. Up to here what I did see once. A can do the work in 80 days. A work for 10 days means 1 by 10. Multiplication is 1 by 8. That means 1 part of 8 parts is completed. So this one 1 out of 8 is completed. Remaining parts is 7 out of 8 parts are left. This 7 out of 8 is doing by A in 42 days. Doing by A in 42 days. B can alone complete what? B can alone complete what? B can alone complete the work is this is 7 by 8 work divided by x is equal to 42 days. Is equal to 42 days. What is this condition here? What I wrote? This x is called number of days that we can complete. Let x be total days by B. Total days by B. Total days by B. Now this is 7 by 8 divided by means into 1 by x is equal to 42 implies now 7 by 8x is equal to 42, x is equal to, so taking off reciprocal directly, 7 by 8 into 42, 7 by 8 into 42, 1 time 6 times. That is 1 by 48. 1 by 48. What is 1 by 48? X is equal to 1 by 48. Sum is not completed. Up to here what is completed? See once. A can do the work in 8 days. So 10 days work is completed. Remaining work is 7 by 8. The remaining work is 7 by 8. This is 7 by 8. The work is doing by B in 40 days. Total work is doing by A means B means how many days? That one we have to see here. So, x is equal to, continuation of the sum, x is equal to 1 by 48. That is, B completes work, whole work, alone in 48 days. So, we completed up to this one. And still, in how many days could both do it? Both do it means both do it is equal to A plus B. What is A? 1 by 80 plus B is 1 by 48. B is 1 by 48. So LCM of these two, 80 and 48. 48 and 80 LCM is 48 and 88 LCM is, I am doing that LCM and I am showing that once. LCM is 240. 80 table 240 is 8 3s are 24 plus 48 table 48 into 5. 5 8s are 40, 4 5s are 20 to 40. How many times it is? That is 5 times, which is equal to 8 by 240. Cancellation 1 time 30 times. 1 by 30. This is A plus B is equal to 1 by 30. A plus B completes work is equal to 30 days. Is equal to 30 days. This is the answer for this sum. Copy in your CW. The next sum is, once again see this sum, those are written out. First part we completed the 1 by 80. That one just simply I am writing here. First part 1 by 80. We worked for 8 days. So into 10, 1 by 8. Remaining part is 7 by 8. This 7 by 8 work is doing by X. So that is 42. Total work is doing by B means that is 48 days. Only B can alone do the work in 48 days. So A and B complete the work is A plus B. A work is 42. This is not 48 times 42. This 42 is remaining work. Remaining work. This is completes whole work in 48 days. Completes whole work in 48 days. So like this we have to write. The next sum is A and B can do the work in 30 days. They work for 20 days and then B left. The remaining work done by A in 20 more days. In how many days A alone can do that work? That means statement wise, first sentence, A and B together work done in 1 day is equal to 1 by 30. From the first sentence onwards, 30 days is there. So we took that one 1 by 30. Next one is they worked at 20 days. That means both are working for 20 days. Work done for 20 days is equal to 1 by 30 into 20, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. We have to write it on remaining work. So remaining work condition is, keep the heading of remaining work just like that. Now 2 out of 3 parts complete. So 1 out of 3 parts left. That is work left is equal to 1 by 3. Work left is equal to 1 by 3. Up to here, see once, everybody have to see that once. A and B together work done in 1 by 3. Work for 20 days. 2 by 3 work is completed. That means 3 parts out of 3 parts. 2 parts are completed. Remaining part is 1. That 1 part work is left. This 1 part work is doing by B in A in 20 days. A in 20 more days. That means here A alone do it. The whole work. Whole work is 1 by 3 divided by 20, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 20, 1 by 60. A is equal to 60 days. A will complete the work in 60 days. A alone do that work in 20 days more days. So that's why 1 by 3 divided by 20, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 20, which is equal to that 1 by 60. 1 by 60, which is equal to 1 by 60. So totally A will do that work in 60 days. Only that A will do that work in 60 days. This is about 11th sum, and the last one is 12th sum. I am writing on the board. Copy this sum first. Okay, here is the next sum, that is A can do certain job in 25 days and B can do that in 20 days. A started the work and was joined by B after 10 days. A started the work and was joined by B after 10 days. So first of all, we have to find that work. Solution. A can do work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 25. B can do work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 20. Up to here first sentence is over. A started the work and was joined by B after 10 days. A worked for 10 days. A worked for 10 days. Work done is equal to 1 by 25 into 10, cancellation, 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Work done is equal to 2 by 5. Work left is equal to 2 out of 5 parts completed. 2 out of 5 completed means 3 out of 5 parts are left. 3 out of 5 parts are left. Up to here, understand the sum once. What is that sum? Understand here. A can do the work in 125. B can do that work in 20 days. That means 1 by 20. A worked for 10 days means 1 by 20. So work done is 2 by 5. Work left is 3 by 5. Work left is 3 by 5. Work left is 3 by 5. In how many days was both the work is completed? That means here you have to see that. Here I am rubbing and writing the remaining part of the answer. This work left is doing by A and B. So work left is called 3 by 5. Work left is doing by A plus B, which is equal to 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20. The LCM of 25 and 20 is 100. 25 table 4 times 5 times, that is equal to 9 by 100. Work left is doing by A and B. So A is 1 by 25, B is 25. So 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9 by 20. Work is doing. How they are doing the work here? That is, how much of that is 3 by 5 is doing by A plus B. 3 by 5 part of work is doing by A plus B. Doing means division form we have to write. Now, which is 3 by 5 into 100 by 9. 1 time 50 times. 1 time 3 times, which is 50 by 3. Work done in 16 2 by 3 days. 16 2 by 3 days. Once again, see that sum. This 3 by 5 part of the work is doing now by A and B. This 3 by 5 is doing by 3 by 5 is doing by A plus B. So this is 3 by 5 part is doing by A plus B. That one same I wrote here. 3 by 5 is doing by A plus B. Cancellation is 50 by 3. 50 by 3 means 16 2 by 3 days. 16 2 by 3 days. With this sum, our chapter is completed, and the next one is, in the next class we will see that one. That means on Tuesday you are having an exam. After that we will start with the chapter number 12, that is fundamental concepts of algebraic expressions. Fundamental concepts of algebraic expressions. With that we will start. This is the limit of the chapter. Up to 12 sums you have to practice that once. So thank you for today.